Saturday Turkey, Lake Abant. I am at a campsite and seem to be the only guest. They have made me breakfast, which is included with a latte and some toast. What more could I ask for? You drive around the lake on a one-way street. There are 3 or 4 hotels and this campground where you can camp, which has bungalows, trailers, and a restaurant with a brutal breakfast. This is peanut butter, this is jam, this is honey, this is like chili, it stings. And this, I'm not sure, it doesn't have much flavor. I also have cheese. I ate one here, and they brought me some eggs with something spicy. I think it's spicy salami. That must be cheese and boiled potatoes with toast, coffee with milk, and a view of the lake. I woke up at Lake Abant and after a fabulous lunch, headed south to Mudurnu. I went through Yeni Pilichik, Pasar Koi, Yadibi, and finally reached Karabuk, where I found a hotel. In Mudurnu, I visited a medieval-style settlement with unfinished new houses. The whole production is closed, fenced, unfinished, and abandoned. I tried to see if they would let me in, but they wouldn't. However, I was able to fly the drone and see the animal-like construction. The structures have been abandoned for years. And in addition to the loss of money, effort, energy, and materials have been wasted.
Anys.
Saturday, 15:30 in the afternoon, I finished Route 5 and started Route 6, which is 428 kilometers. I've already done about almost 6,800, and I have a lot more to go. Today is a beautiful day. The route was very smooth, very quiet. I have seen very beautiful lakes, but I have seen so many, and so beautiful that today was normal. But, well, I've made progress. When I finish Route 6, the one I just started, I will not even have covered half of Turkey. I still have a few days left. But anyway, it's all fantastic. There's a great green path. Let's go. Let's go. I finally arrived in Karabuk. I was able to enjoy a quite long route, quite intense and very beautiful, because I saw mountains. I was also able to ride well. There was water, some dry areas. Luckily, I was alone, and the dust was not eaten by anyone because there was no one behind me. I also went through some foggy sections, and the area was very cool, very beautiful. I arrived in Karabuk, where there was still an hour before nightfall, but after seeing the route that awaited me, I stopped at the hotel to regain strength and be ready for tomorrow. I was looking for the hotel for the last half hour without success. I was looking for a place to sleep until I reached the outskirts of Karabuk, where I found a hotel that served me very well. There were very few people, and I was able to park the quad inside and go straight to the room. Afterwards, I was informed that I could go to a restaurant about 10 or 15 minutes walk away. It was a kebab-type restaurant. They served me a meal that was very spicy but tasted very good. I got a lot of protein and energy for tomorrow. Now I'm going to the hotel to sleep and more tomorrow.